German court rules illegitimate children of Jews evicted by Nazis are German citizens.
Here's a summary of the article.
Berlin, a U.S. woman born to a Jewish father stripped of his German citizenship by the Nazis in 1938 cannot be denied naturalization for being an illegitimate child, Germany's constitutional court has ruled. The court ruling, dated May 20 and made public on Wednesday, stated that children born out of wedlock to former German citizens are equally entitled to citizenship. The decision opens the door for descendants of German Jews born outside marriages to become German citizens. If a law mandates the state to grant citizenship, this right must be fulfilled without discrimination against illegitimate children, the court said. Nicholas Kortman of the Article 116 Exclusions Group said it would have wide-ranging consequences for the naturalization rights of descendants of German citizens persecuted under National Socialism. Last year's decrees loosened the conditions needed for citizenship, for example by allowing individuals with a German mother and foreign father to have their citizenship restored, provided they were born before April 1953. The new ruling said fathers should be able to pass their citizenship to their children too, not only mothers.
This post received a score of 29,000, with an upvote ratio of 95%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Fuck you to whoever fought to deny them that.
Greater than whoever Nazis. It was actually Nazis this time.
Greater than Article 116 of Germany's constitution, known as the Basic Law, states that Germans who between 1933 and 1945 were stripped of their citizenship on political, racial or religious grounds and their descendants can have their citizenship back. So while Nazis had been at fault for the initial stripping of the citizenship from the father of that woman, denying the citizenship was the fault of someone in the present. What this meant was that she and anyone else in a similar situation, even if their father still had citizenship, would not get citizenship automatically. Instead they got a way for fast-tracking citizenship, see in German Note 1 and Note 2 from 2019.
Looks like a straightforward application of the law here. I wonder why the lower court decided otherwise. Here is the original Article 116 in German.
The specific case wasn't as straightforward and it was not a general problem but a very specific one for that case where a Jewish father with German citizenship that was stripped of him and mother, not German, both not married at the time of birth, gave birth outside of Germany. The law also states that one who wants to claim its German citizenship back, must have never expressed willingness not want to make use of that law. So if you accepted a foreign citizenship after 8 May 1945 you might have forfeit that right.
Und ihre Abkömmlinge, as long as the child is clearly from the father I don't see any problem. The woman got the US citizenship at birth, I assume, that's hardly expressing willingness to not use the law. But as far as I see this part only applies to the special case discussed in the last sentence gelten als nicht ausgebürgert.
Between 1 January 1914 and 1 July 1993 the citizenship would have not been passed down by the father to a child that was born out of wedlock on foreign territory. Only the mother would have passed down that citizenship. The applicable law until 1 July 1993 did not recognize these children as descendant.
Greater than the applicable law until 7 January 1993 did not recognize these children as descendant. Well, that's weird.
Medical determination of parentage wasn't around until DNA was a thing and made inexpensive, around the late 80s.
I feel that it's worth pointing out that she was born in the U.S. in the late 60s. Her father would have been German but was technically not. One court said he was American, but the next higher court said that this could not be held against him since it wasn't his choice. As a German I welcome this ruling but I don't think it was the legal battle that some people here seem to envision. It is not that hard for Americans to get a German citizenship if they want one to begin with.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.